Imagine looking up at the night sky, spotting the moon, the planets, and countless stars twinkling above. For most of human history, that was all we knew about our universe. But on October 19, 2017, something happened that changed everything. Astronomer Robert Warwick, working in Hawaii, spotted a faint, fast-moving point of light in the sky. The object was named Oumuamua, a Hawaiian word that means a messenger from afar arriving first. This wasn't something from our solar system. It was just passing through, the first confirmed visitor from another star system. The discovery stunned scientists everywhere. This tiny traveler had crossed an incredible distance, showing us that our universe is far more dynamic than we ever imagined. After swinging around the sun, it sped back out into deep space. And just like that, the search for answers began. What made Oumuamua so peculiar? From the start, it defied expectations. Its shape was bizarre, 10 times longer than it was wide, like a cosmic cigar or pancake. No asteroid or comet in our solar system looks like that. Then there was its movement. As it passed the sun, it sped up, faster than gravity alone could explain. Normally, comets accelerate by outgassing, but Oumuamua showed no tail, no visible gas, nothing. It was accelerating with no visible means of propulsion, a ghostly push from an invisible hand. Some suggested it was releasing undetectable gases, like hydrogen or nitrogen. Others thought it might be made of something truly alien. Its reddish color hinted at millions of years of cosmic ray exposure. It looked like an asteroid, but acted like a comet, a contradiction that baffled scientists. The wildest theory? Maybe it was alien technology, a solar sail tumbling through space. Most scientists searched for a natural explanation, but the debate raged on. Oumuamua was a hybrid, a cosmic puzzle that refused to fit any box. Its mystery deepened with every observation. The truth, whatever it was, promised to be stranger than fiction. With Oumuamua gone, astronomers began a new quest to find its home. They traced its path backward, hoping to match it to a star system it might have left millions of years ago. The galaxy is a moving carousel of stars, making this a monumental task. Early candidates, like a red dwarf in Lyra, were ruled out as calculations proved too uncertain. The cosmic trail quickly went cold. Scientists used data from missions like Gaia, mapping billions of stars to rewind the clock with precision. Still, no match emerged. The failure to find a home suggested Oumuamua had traveled for an immense time, maybe from a star so distant its origin was now untraceable. Or perhaps it was born in chaos, not a stable system. The lack of a clear home pointed to a violent, mysterious past. Oumuamua remained a cosmic orphan. The search for its birthplace became a search for new ideas. Science pressed on, determined to solve the riddle. The mystery of its origin was as compelling as the object itself. Sometimes not finding an answer is the biggest clue of all. A new theory was about to change everything. In 2023, a new theory emerged. What if Oumuamua was a fragment of a planet? Astronomers Jennifer Bergner and Daryl Seligman proposed it was a shard from a small, water-rich world like Pluto, torn apart by its star. When a planet gets too close to its sun, tidal forces can rip it apart in a violent event. The result? Elongated fragments, just like Oumuamua's shape. As the fragment traveled through space, trapped water ice inside could turn to gas when warmed by a new star. If that gas was molecular hydrogen, it would be invisible to our telescopes, but could explain the mysterious acceleration. The weird shape, the push, the lack of a visible tail, the reddish color, all explained by this single, catastrophic event. Oumuamua was a ghost, a piece of a dead world, carrying the story of its destruction across the galaxy. Suddenly, the puzzle pieces fit. The cosmic riddle had an elegant solution. Oumuamua wasn't an alien ship. It was a planetary shard. Its journey told a tale of violence and survival. The universe had revealed one of its secrets. Solving Oumuamua's mystery led to a sobering realization. Its origin is terrifying. If it's a planetary fragment, then stars destroying their own planets must be common. Our solar system's stability might be rare. The galaxy could be filled with violence, planets torn apart, their remains drifting through space. For a planet to be destroyed, it must be knocked from its orbit by a giant planet or a passing star. The numbers are staggering. Seeing one Oumuamua in a few years suggests trillions of such fragments in the Milky Way. Planetary destruction may be routine. The quiet stability we enjoy on Earth could be a cosmic exception. This forces us to rethink what it takes for life to evolve. It's not just about being in the right place, it's about surviving long enough. Oumuamua is a cosmic warning. Planetary systems can be dangerous, unstable places. The journey from microbe to intelligence may be constantly interrupted by stellar violence. The universe is more perilous than we imagined. Oumuamua's story changes how we see the galaxy. The interstellar medium isn't empty. It's a graveyard of shattered worlds. For every living planet, there may be thousands of dead fragments drifting in the void. Planetary destruction is as much a part of the cosmic story as creation. Our solar system is constantly visited by these messengers from dead worlds. Most are too small and fast to detect, but they're out there, silent witnesses to ancient catastrophes. Earth isn't an isolated island. It's a continent on a vast ocean, with driftwood from distant shores washing up on our beaches. The universe feels less empty, but more menacing. We're part of a violent galactic ecosystem. The stars are not just serene, they're engines of creation and destruction. Oumuamua forced us to update our cosmic map, adding new layers of danger and chaos. The cosmos is alive with stories of birth and death. We're only beginning to listen. Oumuamua forces us to rethink the search for life. It's not enough for a planet to be in the Goldilocks zone. It must also have a stable orbit for billions of years. The galactic habitable zone may be much smaller than we thought. Perhaps the biggest barrier to life isn't biology, but astronomy, surviving long enough for intelligence to emerge. The silence in the cosmos might be because stable planetary systems are rare. But there's hope. The destruction that creates objects like Oumuamua could also spread life. This is panspermia. The idea that fragments from shattered worlds could carry microbes to new planets. Oumuamua was likely sterilized, but younger fragments might seed life elsewhere. The death of one world could be the beginning for another. These fragments aren't just tombstones, they could be lifeboats. Studying them could reveal the fingerprints of life. Oumuamua was a message in a bottle. We just couldn't read it this time. Oumuamua's visit left us with more questions than answers, but it changed our perspective forever. We now know our solar system is not alone. The galaxy is alive with creation and destruction. Our next step? Look harder. New observatories like the Vera C. Rubin Observatory will scan the sky, finding more interstellar objects. Soon, we'll have a steady stream of messengers to study. We must be ready to act fast. These objects are fleeting. Missions like the Comet Interceptor will chase down the next visitor for up-close study. Oumuamua's story is about our place in the universe. By studying these travelers, we learn about distant stars and ourselves. The universe speaks in the silent passage of these lonely objects. Our job is to listen, to imagine, and to explore. The cosmos is full of wonders and dangers, and the next messenger may already be on its way.